Hello everybody, today we're going to download a file from a URL and we're going to import URL library.request. So if you don't have this on board, you need to install it through pip. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to create URL file here, and I'm going to assign it to a PDF that I want to download from a site here. So I'm just going to assign it to that. That's the PDF I want. I'm going to put it in there. But first of all, I want to download it to my home directory. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to create a path here. So this is going to be path. Assign it to C. So that's my desktop path there. Your desktop path will be different from this, so you need to find out what it is. And that's going to be os.chddir, change directory to that path. And what we need to do, we need to import another module here called os, import os here. You won't have to install that, that comes by default with your system. So basically we're going to change to my desktop and we're going to download a PDF file. So I'm going to define the local file name here and save it as this. I'm going to create file name variable. Let's call it file download .pdf. Okay, now I'm going to download the file and save it there. So I'm going to use URL library.request. And then URL retrieve. Sure I spelled that right. URL retrieve. There's an error there. Request. Let's just have a look at that. URL. URL retrieve. There we go. So we're going to retrieve the URL file. So here we're going to put URL file, and then we're going to do the file name. Okay, and then we're going to print out a message to the user. Print. We're going to format it with string file. And this is going to be file name. Downloaded. Right. Okay, let's save that. Let's run the program. Download file. Okay. Let's save that. Let's run it. Okay, file downloaded, PDF downloaded, so let's have a look. Should be on the desktop. And there we've got a PDF called, let's just have a look at the properties of this first. Yeah, file download, what I named it. Let's open it. And there you go, Python tutorial. So there you go, Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. Hope you enjoyed that. And remember, if you're not already subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button and I will catch you in another video. Bye-bye.